Hi, this is Gitanjali. Welcome you to my channel Grow Style Gardening. Today I am going to show you how to make a kokedama. That means growing your plants in a moss ball. In fact, it is a Japanese style of gardening art, a different way of displaying your plants to enhance its beauty a lot more. So now let me show you how to prepare a kokedama. Take 40% of coco peat to retain moisture inside the moss ball, and take 40% same amount of vermicompost for the nutrition to the plants, and 20% of the plain garden soil for binding structure. Mix all the ingredients properly, then add water gradually to make a ball out of this soil mixture. Now take the pre-moist moss. Before using it, squeeze it properly to drain excess water. Now flat the pre-moist moss on the plate. Always take the rooted plants. Here I have to cut the extra roots to fit into the ball properly. Now make the balls to half. Now I am going to put the moss around the soil ball. Then I am going to tie off the moss ball properly. Now this kokedama is ready for display, but if you want to give an extra look, just tie off with different types of ropes of different colors. There are lots of options. Are you ready for making your own kokedama with your favorite plants? For sure, it is going to be a beautiful addition to your home decor. Thank you so much for watching this.